Hello, James Graney here from internetbizuni.com, and in today's video I'm going to be doing something different that I haven't done before, and that is kind of going against my own advice in some way. So if you have watched a few of my videos, then you will know that I'm always pushing make your product as unique as possible. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a company that makes one product that's a product that everyone else can make, and they're making a full-time income from this product. I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing that so that you could do the same thing and create a full-time business by just simply selling one product and not going out getting patents and doing all of the stuff that I do to protect my products that I sell. Because as you probably know, if you have watched previous videos of mine, that's what I see the big money in the future being from, is creating your own patent protected products that you and only you can sell, because this way you can promote them everywhere and you are not afraid of any competitor coming in copying the exact same product as you. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a different way to do this, how you can protect yourself or kind of eliminate some of the competition by using social proof. I'm going to be showing you firsthand how a brand does this, and they make a full-time income from selling one simple product. So now I'm just going to jump over to my computer and show you exactly what I'm talking about. This is a brand called kittyrama.co.uk, and they initially reached out to me because they're doing so well with this one product in the UK that they're now going expanding to the US. They sell their product on their own website and also on Amazon, but now they're looking to expand onto Amazon.com in the US and start selling via their website in the US. So they contacted me because they know that I've already done this switch, that I've been selling in the US as well as the UK for a lot of years now. And the reason that they don't mind me using their brand as a case study is because they have done such a good job in creating social proof around their product that it offers them protection against competitors. So if you're a competitor and you're coming in against them with the exact same product, they have so much social proof built up around their product that you're not going to be stealing much market share from them. So this is their website, and I'm just going to scroll down just to show you how the social proof looks on their website and what I'm talking about. So as you can see, when you scroll down, straight away you see where they have been featured, which are these magazines. Now straight away you're probably thinking, oh, how am I going to get featured in Vogue? Well, that isn't what I will be looking at. I would start looking over here, these niche specific magazines and websites. These are very easy websites and magazines to get to promote your products. They are constantly looking for new stories, new content to write about, and you applying to them and contacting people within these magazines and websites will allow you to get your products promoted on their magazines and websites. And then you can use this social proof wherever you're selling your products, whether that's on Amazon, whether that's on your own website, or wherever you're selling it. You can use these magazines' names, and so much power comes with these. So what you would start with is you would start by going with these smaller, niche, specific type websites and magazines, and then you would move on to these more well-known magazines. And as you can see, this is just a pretty standard website, and I'm just going to show you their product now. This is their product. So I'll just go in here, click on our colors just so you can see them. All they sell is cat colors, so it's only one product, but it does come in different colors, but it's all the same cat color really at the end of the day. So as you can see down here, this is an award that they've also got. So this is what you can also do for your brand, is look out for awards. Like the award that they received is called a cat friendly award, but these are types of rewards that they give away in all different niches. For example, if you were selling yoga products, you could get an environmentally friendly award. And these are just things that will help give your product more and more social proof. And the more of these that you can get, the more social proof you will build up around your product, that it is a genuine brand and that you care about your target audience. Because obviously their target audience, whoever is purchasing these cat collars, are going to want the company that they're purchasing them off to be a cat friendly company. So having an award that says they're a cat friendly company gives them this additional social proof and connects them a lot more with their target audience. So even if they're selling the exact same product as their competitor, which they are, they can sell it at a higher price simply because they have received this type of award and they have the social proof that comes with being featured in magazines and websites. So I'm just going to click over here and you can just see that it is just the one type of collar that they sell. And then I'm just going to click over to Amazon, and as you can see, this is how their Amazon product listings work. On the front picture of each of their product listings, they have as featured on Vogue, and you can do this once you get featured on a magazine, or if your product is a TV commercial type product, you can sell it as seen on TV. But as seen on Vogue, again, will connect them with their target audience. So the point that I'm trying to come to in this video is that they can purchase this exact product of the same manufacturer as anyone else. It's, you know, pretty bog standard. There's no patent protection to this product. It's just a simple product design. And, you know, depending on the volumes you're purchasing, you can be purchasing these products for 20 cents a unit. But being able to sell high quantities of these at a high price, you have to get social proof that your brand is better than your competitor's brand. And that's what I want to show you. That's what I want you to take away from this video, is that if you do have the exact same product as your competitors, then you should be using social proof to make your brand stand out against theirs. So that's it for this video. I basically wanted to show you this because as soon as they contacted me to start working with me, I researched their brand and I thought it was amazing that you could create a full-time income from selling one product that is the exact same product as a number of your competitors. But this is how you can do it. No matter what niche you are in, there is niche specific magazines and niche specific websites that are happy to create content. They're always looking for different stories that their customers will be interested in reading about. And simply by reaching out to them, often they'll even have a link on their website if you want to be promoted. And reaching out to them, if they don't, you can simply just contact them through the Contact Us page. This is often an easier way because if they have a link, they may get a lot more applicants. Whereas if you just reach out and contact them through their contact page or social media, this is an easier way to get in with them and get them to write a story about your brand. And this is amazing social proof to get for your brand. And this is enough to excel your brand against all of the competitors that are pretty much selling the same products as you. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. The Advanced Private Label course is the course that I'm currently working on to show you all of the strategies that I use to increase my sales and my profit on Amazon. And as well as this, the Unique Private Label course is also closed. That's basically where I show you how to start everything you need to start your own unique brand of products. But there are links to the Advanced Private Label course and the Unique Private Label course below in the description. So if you jump down there, click on either of the links, whichever one you're more interested in, and leave your email address, I will notify you when I reopen these courses in the future. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and I look forward to speaking to you on the next one. Bye.